Stay tuned because I just found Gucci's and Chanel shoes at the thrift store for $5 each. And we're back with another video, guys. Today we'll be thrifting nothing but shoes. I'm gonna try to hit up as many thrift stores as possible. I'm gonna see how many pairs of shoes I can pick up. I want you guys to see exactly what brands and what type of shoes I pick up. That way you guys can get them when you're out there. Anyways, let's jump right into it. First, I gotta get packages I sold over the weekend. Okay, now let's go. First store. First pair are gonna be these Cole Haan 0 Grand right here. I only want $10 for these. These sell out very good on Poshmark. Should get like 35. The second pair of shoes that I found were these gel Nimbus right here. It's like $150 brand new. I'm gonna be paying $14 after a good clean. These should give me like 60. On to the next one. We're at Thrift Town now. Hopefully they got more than 2 shoes. That was not a good start, but let's go. Sadly, I only found 1 pair of shoes. These Echo leather sneakers right here. The only reason I'm picking them up is because they're half off, so they're gonna be like $4, but they should give me like 30. Come on, Goodwill. Give me good luck. Give me good luck. I'm picking up 2 pairs of shoes. These Hoka Gaviota 2. They only want $8 for these. Decent thread left. A little dirty, but easy to clean up. Should get like 30 for those. And then these Doc Martens. They only want $9 for these. It's a little smaller size, but pretty confident should get also 30 for those. Up next is Uptown Cheapsteak. Sometimes I can find them lacking on their prices. Found the first pair I'm taking. $30 for these On Cloud, super clean. Should get like 70 for these. I don't know if I'm taking these yet, but $48. The Roger Clubhouse, you get like $200 brand new. I only saw sold comps for black ones of these for like $150. So I'm thinking about it, but I might actually take them. Look at the ones I just found, some Dunks. Never seen these, but for $35, I will take them. Another pair of On Clouds that I found. These are gonna be $24. Super mint. Nice size actually, but these sell for like $60. Come on, Uptown. What is this? What is this? I want to talk about when I can catch them sleeping. Some Brooks Levitate, super clean. Look how much they want. $17. I'm gonna get easily 50 for these. Check these boots out. This is an emo brand called Demonia. They only want $19 for these. Check out the comps on this. It's crazy. Last pair of shoes that I found were these Adidas Samba platforms. They only want $25. They're super hot right now. Should get like 60 for these. That right there was the stop that I needed today. Hopefully it's more good luck to more shoes that I can find today. Let's go. Just got to Texas Thrift. Let's see what they got. First pair of shoes that I found were these Cole Haan Grand Zero. They want $11 for these. This should give me like 35. Found another pair of these On Clouds right here. These are a little bit more worn, but for $10. For this is the best pair of shoes that I found. They only want $14 for these. Super good condition. These should give me close to 50. I'll take these Ultra for $10. I've never seen Ultra like this. They have no insoles, but I got plenty at home. We're at another thrift store. Let's see what they got. I didn't find nothing there, but on to the next. I've never been to this Goodwill, but hopefully they got good stuff. Found 1 pair of shoes, but this is an amazing brand. Evo Barefoot. These are ugly, but they're like barefoot shoes. They want $15 for these. You should give me close to 60. It's late. I'm getting hungry. Give me some chips. Going to this little small Goodwill. Never been here also, but I'm excited. That was a no-no. Didn't find anything. New thrift store I haven't been, so let's go see what they got. Apparently everything's half off. There's so many shoes in here. I'll go everything that I'm gonna get once I get to the car. All right, guys, this is all that I picked up. Ignore the noise in the background. My kids are here. But I had to record this like later when I got home because of all the shoes, and it was like so fast. Remember, everything was half off. So let's go ahead and start with these Hokas. These I paid up a little bit. I paid up almost 30 bucks, but just because they are the trail running ones, they are dirty, but easy to clean up. These should give me close to 50. The Nike Reacts right here, super clean also. They wanted, let me check. They want 25, so I paid half of that. 12 bucks, not bad. Should get close to 40. These Keen got for only $7.50. Super nice, clean pair. Oh, these are actually almost like brand new. Those should give me like 40. I got these Cole Haans. They came in the box, which is nice. I paid up a bit. They wanted 50, so half off was 25. They're kind of funky. They look funky, but I figure that's kind of what will sell them a lot. They even came with the shoe things in here. I probably won't sell it with that, but I'm pretty confident I should get 70 for these, if not more. This brand Vessi right there, it's a good brand. I don't find it often, but when I do, I always pick it up. I paid 5 for these. These should give me close to 40 also. Same thing with these Grand Zero Cole Haans. These should give me close to 40. And I paid, let me see how much I paid for these. I paid 13, it's not bad. These Stock Martens, I paid up a little bit also at 22 and a half. Just because they are made in England, right there, that does bump the value a little bit. I should get close to 70 for these. Salomon, amazing brand, trail hiking shoes, good thread left. I paid 12 bucks for these also. These should give me close to 50. All look high sandals. I know it's not season right now to sell sandals, but at literally 7 bucks, couldn't leave those behind. Those should give me like 25. And now moving on to the best pairs of shoes that I found. Probably my best find ever. This lady, downtown, because the thrift store was downtown, but this lady, very bougie, came in with 3 Nordstrom, can't even say that right, bags. And I saw them and I asked the cashier if I can go through them. She said no, because it hasn't been priced, but I kind of was like telling her, oh, I really like those shoes. So she said, okay, I'll price them for you here. And I saw these. I don't even know if she really saw what they were, but she gave me these and these for only 10 bucks each, and it was half off, so I got them for 5. And I was very, very surprised. Brand new, almost like brand new. I definitely 100% know that these are authentic. The Chanel flats right here come with the dust bag. I was hoping the Gucci came with the dust bag or the box, but it didn't. But probably the best find I'm ever going to have. These should go for around 600, if not more. Literally almost like Nike new. You can tell a little wear right there. And on the Chanels, they're same size too. The Chanels, literally almost like brand new. These should give me close to 300. Last stop of the day, last Goodwill. It's getting dark out here and I'm starving. Hopefully they got good stuff. Alright guys, this is our first find we had. The Adrenaline 21, these Brooks. Super good thread. 15 bucks, but pretty confident should get close to 50. I also got these Nike Free Run. These are Flyknit. They want 13 bucks for these. Same thing like the other ones, should get close to 50. Best find here are gonna be these Nike 270s. They want 12 bucks for these. They're black, so they're easy to clean up. These should give me close to 60 to 70.